Congratulations and welcome to Step 4. At this time, you should have already reviewed the course description guide in Step 2, and now we're going to teach you how to input those course requests for the 21-22 school year. You have two options. One, you can use the following PDF available to you, or two, you can click on the step-by-step tutorial. When clicking on the step-by-step tutorial, you will have an automated voice that will walk you through that. But I'm going to walk you through it now. Let's go ahead and get started. Once you hit start, you will notice that you are taken to CUE Student Connection. The Student Connection website is where you enter your username and password. Your username is your student ID number, and your password is the same one that you use to log into district devices. Go ahead and do that now. Once done, click Login. Once you've clicked Login, you are going to see that you have a future year enrollment line. You know it is a future year enrollment line because the school year is 21-22. What you are going to do is you are going to click on the future year enrollment line now. Once you have done so, at the very bottom on your left-hand menu bar, you will see a Requests button. Click on the Requests module now. You will notice that there are courses that are listed. Those courses have been pre-selected by your school counselor for you. You have the option now of adding and editing request. You can do so by clicking on the Add Edit Requests link in the right-hand section of the request area. Go ahead and click that now. What this does is this brings you to a course guide. This course guide are all of the courses at Centennial High School. As stated earlier, the hope is that you've reviewed your course description book in Step 2 and pre-selected some courses. You will notice that a number of courses have an A and a B. A translates to first semester, B translates to second semester. When you see a course that you have selected from the list that you want to add, you are going to click on that course. When you click on that course, it is going to give you a button that says Add Selected Course. Click on that button. When you have successfully clicked on the button, it is going to add the course to your course requests. At the end of the process, if you are taking 6 courses for next year, you should have a total of 12 entries. 6 courses times 2 entries per course for first and second semester would give you 12 entries. Now let's say that you've added a course that you don't want to take next semester or made a mistake. If you are able to edit that course, you will see an X on the left-hand side of that course. To delete the course, click the X button next to the course name and either add the correct course, or if you are at your 12 entries, you would be done. Now, if you are adding a 0 period, again, that would be 2 additional entries because that would be 7 classes. 7 classes times 2 entries per class for first and second semester would give you 14 entries in total. Take a moment now before you are done and count the number of entries to make sure that if you were to divide by 2, that correlates to the correct number of courses that you will be taking next year. Once you have done that, go ahead and click Submit. You must click Submit in order to submit your entries. If you click any other button or exit the screen without clicking Submit, your course request will go unsaved. At this time, you are now done. You can click Sign Out and return to your SMORE newsletter. Your very next step is to schedule your meeting. It is the expectation that every student will schedule a meeting with their school counselor to review the course request selections that you have made. Go ahead and click on the link, find an appointment that is convenient for you, schedule that appointment, and we will see you very soon. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial.